Welcome. In this video I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of the iPhone 13 mini. So if you find this video helpful and want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description on Amazon. And if you use that link, it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So I see the box is narrower than previous iPhones. This does not have a power adapter in it. Looks like there's some tabs on the back here I need to pull. So I got the blue iPhone. Pull this off here. So this has little icons for power, volume, silence, and lightning port. And here's the phone itself. It does come with lightning to USB-C cable, so you do need a USB-C charger for this. And here's a SIM tool, and we have an Apple sticker. I'm not sure the packaging for the SIM tool doesn't weigh more than the SIM tool. And that's all that's in here. So let's take a quick look all around it. Here we have the SIM slot, volume buttons, silence. There's a little slit here for the speaker. We have power here. You can see the little plastic pieces. Those are for antennas. And we have the lightning port in the bottom and the microphone ports. On the back we have the cameras. I'm not sure what that is there. Is that a microphone maybe? And the LED light. So I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video. If you want to see my other videos on Apple products, I'll put a link in the description of my Apple playlist. Otherwise, that's all for this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.